This course is senior design. It's the senior capstone projects for electrical engineers and computer engineers in one massive class.
It's a one-year-long project in which you meet a team at the beginning of the fall, and you have the entire year to begin planning out the project first, and then the second semester you get to really building it. My team's project is called the Haptic box. It's a device that is designed to take music and be able to express that to people who are hearing impaired.
If you have a friend that was hearing impaired, you never think about it, but they don't experience music the way you do. So how do you sort of bridge that gap?
I thought it would be a really great opportunity to help people who can't appreciate this thing that I appreciate so much. It's basically just a rectangle with motors in it that you put your hands on, and they're spread out through the rectangle.
And so you have an 8x5 grid that you can place your hands on, and you would be able to feel the different melodies and beats based on the music that's coming in.
It's easy the first time you do it, and even when we multiplied it to 5 times, it was still working fine. But our first prototype had 60 times, and that was something that was really incredible to work with and definitely taught me a lot about how to deal with hardware.
It's a lot of information in music. Sort of how do you translate that into vibrational patterns? Like you have a grid itself, but okay, what if I put beats on the left side and then I put the melody on the right side? That could be kind of like a piano kind of thing. There's just a whole bunch of different ways you can go about it, and I think that's an interesting challenge.
It's very open-ended in this situation, and you define your own next step, and that was a whole new experience for me. And so I'm glad to be in this field, and I'm glad that I had this experience.
And I think this group is very unique because everyone brought something to the table that I didn't expect. Personally, I'm very pleased with my group mates, and I'm very sort of proud of the work that we've done.
I've learned all sorts of new skills. I've never soldered before, which is a huge thing for electrical engineers. And what I liked about BU is how diverse it is.
You'll be surprised at the amount of people that are amazing here. And I would say that if you had the choice, definitely come to BU.